This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a Ga4 property and an active GTM container. Open Ga4, go to Admin then Data Streams, and copy the measurement ID that begins with G. This links the two. Then open your GTM workspace, click Tags, and choose New, pick Ga4 configuration as the tag type. Enter the measurement ID and set your trigger to all pages so configuration loads everywhere. This mounts the foundation quickly, because once the config tag fires, event tagging becomes consistent and reliable across pages. Once done with the config tag, refine what you send and why. In GTM, set fields like send page view true and add user properties for logged-in users so Ga4 receives meaningful context. Next, create Ga4 event tags for clicks, form submissions, and e-commerce actions. Name events to match analytics needs, and add custom parameters as key value pairs. Then use GTM preview mode concurrently with Ga4 debug view to verify events arrive and parameters populate. This prevents surprises when you publish by catching mapping errors early. Finally, publish your GTM container once preview verifies correct behavior. This activates Ga4 tags for all users. After publishing, monitor real-time reports in Ga4 to ensure event counts climb. If something fails, first confirm the measurement ID and that triggers are not blocked by consent or tag sequencing. Then inspect the browser console and network requests to view collect payloads or GTag calls. This shows what's sent and why. One key troubleshooting tip. If debug view shows events but real reports do not, allow up to 24 hours and check filters or data stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.